L'opportunity of making money on YouTube tactics that you may need to know, fast cuts of YouTube dashboards, money notifications, editing timelines, and faceless content clips. What if you could make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? Cut to black screen with bold text, no camera, no fame, no problem, no expensive equipment, no perfect lighting, no being camera confident. Just a proven system to build a YouTube channel that earns even if nobody knows who you are. Show examples of faceless niches: animation, motivation, finance, AI videos, tutorials, storytelling. Right now, thousands of creators are building faceless YouTube channels using simple tools, smart strategies, and content people actually want to watch, and this ebook shows you exactly how to do it. Inside How to Make Money on YouTube Without Showing Your Face, you'll discover the best faceless YouTube niches in 2026, how to create videos using AI tools and free software, the exact formula for viral titles and thumbnails, how to grow from 0 subscribers, monetization strategies beyond AdSense, and the biggest mistakes that kill channels before they grow. I thought YouTube required confidence on camera. This changed everything. I started my first faceless channel with just my phone and free apps. You don't need to be famous. You don't need a studio. You just need the right strategy. If you're ready to build an online income stream from YouTube while staying completely behind the scenes, this ebook is your shortcut. Download How to Make Money on YouTube Without Showing Your Face today and start building your channel the smart way. Start today, stay anonymous, grow your income, get your copy now.